Hello and welcome to the fifth lesson of our WordPress Beginner to Advanced course, where our ultimate goal is to become job ready to start providing freelance services on Upwork, Fiverr, and on any other freelance marketplaces you'd love to work on. So without further ado, let me give you a quick recap on what we have learned and what we did so far throughout the previous lessons. So if I take you here on this page, just take a look. We have got this beautiful website created step by step by following the previous lessons, and in the most recent video lesson we learned about blog posts, where we have created few posts on our website, and then we have learned so many things about blog posts. So if I open up here and just take a look, we have worked on the featured image, we learned about customizing the designs of text, and then we have added some text links. If I just click here, you are going to see that this link, whenever I'm clicking here, it is taking us to a new page which we have selected. And then if I click the same thing here, if I click on this link, it is taking us to a new tab. All right, in a new page, we learned about this heading stuffs, we learned about listing, we learned about how to add an image in between a blog post, and then we learned about the separators, spacings, how to embed a video, how to embed any external post from let's say external post from any social media site. We worked on this button, we talked about these table stuffs, widget stuffs, etc. And so far we are here, right? So now without further ado, let me start this video. I'm going to talk about media library and pages and comments throughout this video. So as you can see here on media, whenever I am hovering over it here, we are seeing these two options. One is library, where all the images, videos, or whatever content we are going to upload on our WordPress website, we are going to find them here on library. And by using add new button, you already know what we can do. We can add new images, new videos, or new contents to our website by using this add new button. So now let me take you to media library. So we are going to see two images are already available here, because one of our blog posts, this one, this image, we have uploaded this image, and in another blog post we have uploaded this image to demonstrate few things to you. So now let's say this media library or the contents are listed in list view, but if you want, you can get them in grid view as well, so that they will be looking like this. And if you just notice here, you're going to find all media items, like you can select image, audio, video, documents, spreadsheets, archive, and all of these other options as you can see here. So now if I take you back, as you can see, I just notice here unattached. So if I take you back to this listing item, you are going to find few more information: who was the author who uploaded this image, on which blog post this image was attached, and the date, as you can see. All right, so now let's say I want to add few images on my website. Let's say you have to work on a website where you have to use like 10 images, and now you want to upload all of the images at once, so that you don't have to upload images again and again. You can do the work at once, so that it will save your time. So now let me show you how you can do this. Simply click on this add new button from here, and then if you click on select files, you are going to find this uploading option or uploading panel, selection panel appeared. So let's say I want to upload this image, and let's click on open. It is going to be added to your library. So if I take you to library from here, you are going to see that this image is uploaded. And if you notice, this image is not attached to any blog post, because we have added this one manually, and we can attach this image later if we need, but this is not mandatory. This is not mandatory. We don't have to work on this. All right, so now one thing I would love to show you is how you can upload images in a bulk way. Let's say you want to upload 5 to 6 images at once, or let's say more than that at once. So let me show you the process. If I click on add new button from here, and then if I click on select files, and then if I select all of the images that I want to upload, like these 6 images, if I click on open, all of these images are going to be uploaded on my media library, and now I'll be able to use these images on my blog post. So let me keep them to this view, and let's say if I go to a post option, and if I click on add new to create a post, I'm going to type out like how to use media library. Okay, and then I want to put some paragraph. Let's say I want to keep these contents from here, and then I want to add an image here. So if I click on this plus icon, so that I'll be able to have this widget selection panel. So let's click on image, and now you are going to find these options: upload, media library, and insert from URL. So as we have already uploaded image on our media library, simply we can click here and then we can select the image that we want to use. And let's say I want to use this image. Let's click on select, and here we go, we have got this image selected. We didn't have to upload this image again. So let's go back to post, and if I click, let's say I want to upload or select this image as a featured image, simply let's click on set featured image, and I can select this image directly from our library. So if I click on set featured image, it is going to be set featured. Now click on publish, and I have noticed I have uploaded one image 2 times to show you the process. So if I take you to media library again, this is the image that I want to delete as an example, or this one. So let's click on it, and you are going to find this option, as you can see, delete permanently. You can simply click on delete permanently, delete, and this image has gone, right? So this is how media library works, and how to add new images, videos, or other files on your WordPress website by using this platform. Now let's talk about one of the most important part or most important aspect of a WordPress website, which is pages. So here, as you can see, whenever I am hovering over my mouse cursor on pages, I am seeing all pages, add new button. So from all pages, we are going to find all the pages which you have created or which you have got from the theme installation by default into one page. So, and from add new button, we'll be able to create a new page. That's the normal process you already know. So let me click on all pages to see what are the pages we have got here: about, blog, contact, create your website with blogs. But let me take you what are some other pages you might have to create on a website. So if I take you to my Learner's World blog site, if you notice, we have got home, about, then this page with drop down menus, contact us page, which is another page. Okay, and if I take you to the bottom of the page, you are going to find affiliate disclosure, which is one page, disclaimer, one page, terms and conditions, another page, privacy policy, and many other pages that you might have to create for a real website, right? So now let me show you how we can create this page. Pretty simple. Simply click on add new button from here. Let's say I want to create a page for services. Simple. You are seeing the whole interface here as you have seen on the blog post. So pretty similar. Everything is similar here. So now let's say I want to type out services, as I want to list all the services that we provide, just as an example. So let's say I have opened services page. Now I want to add paragraph here. Simple paragraph, it is selected. So now let's copy this paragraph from here, paste it here, and then let's say I want to give some image here. I love to give the image, which is the easier as of now, so that I'll be able to explain faster. So let's say I am giving, okay, instead of this one, let me just, okay, let it be here. I'm going to take another block here, and I'd love to give a heading here for the service name, and I'm going to select heading, and let's type out website design, and this is my service, and then I can add another service right after this. Okay, I can add a spacer here. Let's say digital marketing, and I should have this in a heading, and then I can simply copy and paste some information from here. Let's say I am going to copy this information and paste them here, and then I want to add another image here. So image, media library, and let's say this guy is doing digital marketing, or this guy is doing digital marketing, just an example. Okay, so I'm going to select. All right, so we have created one page. Now I want to add a spacer here instead of these blocks. So let's click here, and not spacer, actually divider would look good here. Okay, if I click on this icon, I'm actually going to find this divider from here, actually separator. So let's click on separator, and here we go, we have got a separator added. Now I'll be able to give it to wide so that it will look much nicer as of now, or just as an example. So let's click on okay, so before I publish, let me talk about this page options. As you can see, you are going to see this visibility to public. Obviously we want to create our pages for all the readers who are coming along, and then we have got this publish. If you want, I have forgot to mention about this like scheduling. So if you want, let's say if we click on publish now, as it is selected to immediately, this page is going to be published immediately. But let's say you want to schedule to be this page posted at a certain time later. So you can simply select, as of now currently today is 21, but let's say I want it to be 23rd January. So I can simply select this, and let's click on okay, so let's click here, and if you just click on schedule, this post is going to be scheduled. But I want to do this now, so I'm going to click on 21, or let's say immediate from here, reset, so it will be immediately. All right, and then we have got this URL slug, which we have talked about in our previous lesson when we worked on blog post. Okay, so same functionalities here, everything is similar. So as you can see, we have got this slug, we have got this permalink. Then you can select a featured image, which you don't need for an image, but if you want, you can add. And most importantly, this part, as you can see, allow comments are not selected. This is because on most web pages we don't allow comments. We don't want to receive comments on our main pages which we have created. Instead, we want comments on blog posts. So I'd love to keep it unselected as it is, and WordPress likes this. And then we have got this page attribute section where we can simply select pages attribution for other pages. For example, as you can see, we have got this drop down menu here. We can select them to the order, like this one is parent, and this one is the child pages for learn. Okay, so in this case we don't have to worry about these features, because we are going to be able to set all of these drop down things from our menu section, and obviously we are going to work on this. So let me just click on publish. Let's click on publish. And now if I reload this page, we might not going to see anything happening here. Okay, nothing happened here, but we want, as we have added this as our service page, we want this page to be added here, right? So we are going to add this page from the menu section soon in our next lesson, because in the next lesson I might going to work on theme and some other stuffs which are more realistic and more interesting. You are going to enjoy for sure, and you're going to learn a lot from my next tutorials. All right, so now let's say if I visit this page from here, from services, okay, so view page, you are going to find how our new page is looking like as of now. Now let's move on. We are going back to the dashboard, and then if I click here, okay, so I already talked about these pages, all pages, add new things. So now let's talk about comments. So if I click on comments, you are going to see this default comment here. So let's say I have got a visitor on this blog post, and copy this blog post, and I'm going to take you to another window, let's say from my incognito window, and if I hit enter, we are going to visit this page. Now the visitor will be able to make a comment right here by using this field. So let's say I want to put something, thank you for sharing this video. Okay, this blog post, as just an example blog post, it was really helpful. So let's say I have made this comment. Now our visitors have to provide their name. So let's say I want to give the name Azharul, and I'd love to add the email address. I don't use the email, rafi620@gmail, and then we can simply skip this website thing, and we can skip this part as well if you are not a regular viewer, or if you don't want to save your details here. So let's just click on post comment, and here we go. I have made this comment, right? Your content is awaiting moderation. This is a preview. Your comment will be visible after it has been approved, right? So this guy me, this guy has made a comment already on our WordPress blog post. Now if I take you back here in our whole interest session here, and if I reload this comment section, you are going to find Azharul, who the person's email address is here, who made this comment, and on this blog post he made this comment, and this is the date, this is the time, and here from this comment section we'll be able to get some options. As you can see, we'll be able to approve this comment. So far, if I just reload this page, this comment is not yet going to be appeared here. Okay, so this comment is not appeared, but whenever we will click on approve, it is going to be appeared, and whenever we'll click on reply, we'll be able to make a reply like thank you so much for replying on this comment. So let me first approve this comment, and now if I reload this page again, just take a look, one comment from Azharul. In this date we have got this comment from Azharul. Thank you so much, Azharul, for commenting, and I love to get comments like this on my YouTube videos as well. So if you are watching this please let me know your opinions. Just say like if this video was helpful to you by commenting below. Okay, so and don't forget to like the videos if you are enjoying. Now let's go back here. As you can see, from reply you'll be able to make a reply from here, or we can simply reply from here as well. But let's get back here on the admin backend. So let me click on reply. Glad to know you enjoyed the blog post. Please share it with your friends. Okay, just this, and then let's click on reply. Okay, so now if I reload this post, you are going to see that Rafi, who is me again, has just made a response to this comment. So this is how this comment things works. And now let's say you want to make some changes on this comment. Let's say you have got some bad comments on your blog post. You have written a real great post, but still you are receiving some bad comments for their misunderstanding, or let's say for any other reason. Maybe some people so bad who would love to make some bad comments as well. So pardon me. Okay, so let's say you have got a bad comment, or you think if we just make some slight changes on the comment, then it would be good. Simply you can click on this quick edit or edit button. So let me click on quick edit, and thank you for sharing this blog post. It was really helpful. I am sharing this post now, just this edition. Okay, so these are just for the example purpose. So let me just reload this page. So as an admin, I was able to make the comment moderation from the backend on my WordPress website, which is a great functionality of WordPress again. All right, so this is how comment work as well. Now you can simply click on this spam button from here. If you are getting too many spam comments, too many bad comments from someone, you can simply click on this spam button, and then they won't be able to make any future comments on your blog post, on whatever blog post you are writing, right? So you can simply mark someone as spammer, and then you can delete the comment by clicking on trash. So let me show you by deleting this comment. If I click on trash, this comment is going to be on trash, as you can see here. Now if you want to delete this comment permanently from your blog site, simply you can delete this permanently from here. So this was it, guys. I have covered the media, pages and comments things throughout this video, and from the next video this is going to be real interesting part, because we are going to learn how to add a new theme on, or actually how to change a theme on WordPress, how to customize some parts of the theme, etc. And maybe we will cover the widgets, many things as well. And remember, we have created a page which is services, and we want to take this page appearing here on our menu section. It should be here, right? So we are going to do this in our next video, hopefully. So this is it, guys. Thank you so much for watching all the lessons this far, and if you have been following the step-by-step lessons, you should have a beautiful website just like this one. And I would love to see your works, and you can join in this group, which I'm going to attach the link into the description field below, so that you'll be able to share any problems if you are facing. You can ask me any question, and you can see other members' work as well. So I hope to see you in this group if you haven't yet joined, and I would love to see your works. And please don't miss to share this complete course with your friends so that they will be able to learn from as well. So I have to see you in the next video. Thank you so much. Have a good day.